my Christmas lights! Oh man, these squirrels keep chewing my Christmas lights.
So if you didn't know already, squirrels love chewing on Christmas lights. Here's why. Squirrels' teeth continue to grow for their whole lives, which honestly is kind of a nightmare. So as a way to prevent their teeth from growing too long, they chew on nuts and seeds, which are really hard and will grind down their teeth. I guess it's kind of like going to the dentist for them. But when they don't consume enough of these hard foods that will grind down their teeth, they resort to gnawing on other hard materials like wood, metal, and plastics. So Christmas lights make an easy target since they're on trees and on the roofs of houses where squirrels tend to hang out. Unfortunately, there's no such thing as squirrel-proof Christmas lights, so you might be wondering what the heck you're supposed to do about this squirrel problem. Well, here are 10 tips for keeping squirrels away from your Christmas lights. Starting at number 10, if you have a dog, open up the door and let them chase any squirrels off your property. Works like a charm and your dog will love the exercise. I had a dog growing up and as soon as anybody said squirrel, she would perk up with excitement and run towards the door ready to go. Number 9, you can try to befriend the squirrel and learn its language. Maybe then you can tell them to please not chew on your Christmas lights, but that might take some time. It's a complicated language. Number 8 is wrapping your tree trunks in sheet metal that is at least 4 feet high. This will prevent squirrels from climbing the trunk because their claws can't grip it, and it has to be 4 feet because squirrels can jump pretty high. Keep in mind that this will only work with trees that aren't close to roofs and other tree branches where squirrels could have another access point. So it's not perfect, but that's why it's number 8. But let's be honest, it's better than number 9. Number 7 is to use an owl decoy in your yard, but if squirrels figure out that the owl is in fact not real, then that won't work, but could be worth a try. Number 6 is to remove anything that could attract any animals, like bird feeders, for example. If it's going to attract another animal, it will probably attract squirrels. And number 5 is to use blood meal, which is a fertilizer that is normally used to increase nitrogen levels in gardens. It can also be used to deter squirrels away from your Christmas lights because apparently they don't like the smell. Which brings me to number 4. You can get animal deterrents that are made of a predator's urine, like from a fox or a coyote. If you use this method, hopefully the squirrels will realize sooner than later that they should stay away from your lights. Don't want you to smell pee for longer than you have to. Number 3 is to use natural deterrents. Hot peppers like cayenne and wasabi have been suggested before. You can make a DIY concoction of spices, blend it up, and spray it on surfaces. Some people say apple cider vinegar has worked too. I feel like apple cider vinegar works with lots of home remedy type things, so that could, give it a shot. And number 2 is to install bird spikes to block access points. These can be placed on branches, on your roof line, the top of your fence, and anywhere they could venture near where your lights are installed. And you're not going to spear a squirrel to death with these, just FYI. They'll avoid these spikes altogether. Even though they chew on Christmas lights, squirrels are actually pretty smart. And topping this list at number 1 is the squirrel repeller. It is a device that emits an ultrasonic sound frequency that will deter squirrels and other rodents away from your light display. You can place it on a flat surface near your lights or mount it on the side of your house or to your fence. You can even set it to mimic the sounds of different predators, so the squirrel repeller provides an all-in-one solution to keeping squirrels away from your Christmas lights and does it all non-violently too. To order the squirrel repeller, you can click the link in the description. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and please, let me know if you use any of these 10 tips. I'd like to know how they work for you. Especially number 9, if you befriend a squirrel, that's very impressive. I've seen it done before. Okay, bye.